What's up everybody? So I got a resonator delete on my Invidia R400 on my 2015 WRX, and sorry about the wind, hopefully it's not that bad for you guys. But the main reason I got this resonator delete on the mid pipe was to try to make the exhaust louder, because this exhaust is probably one of the quietest but cleanest setups you could have on a WRX. So with the resonator delete on the mid pipe, I wouldn't really say it made the exhaust louder, maybe like 10-20%, but it did make the exhaust sound a lot more cleaner. And what I mean by cleaner is that you're able to really hear that turbo whistle just a little bit more, and it actually really releases some restriction from the resonator. So right here is actually the resonator, and if you can see inside it, there's just a bunch of holes, and the point of the resonator is to change the tone of the exhaust, and well, it actually does make it quieter because you're toning it down a little bit. So here it is. So if you're looking to actually make this exhaust louder, I would say that is probably one of the best ways to make it just a little bit louder. Really, I guess another way to make it super loud is to cut off all resonators, but it wouldn't sound like the R400. It would not sound as clean as it should be. So obviously at the end of this video, I got a bunch of sound clips, comparisons from when I had the resonator on to when I had the resonator off. But yeah, I suggest if anyone or whoever has, or any WRX owner who has the R400, I suggest you should cut off that mid resonator as soon as possible, because it does make the car sound a lot more cleaner in my opinion. And I mean, I don't know if you could really hear a difference, but to me, I can really hear a big difference when I'm driving. So hopefully in these next clips here of the resonated and non-resonated mid-pipe versions of the video I'm gonna put in for you guys, you'll be able to hear a difference. God damn. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. We got a lot more mods coming to the WRX 350Z and BRZ on the channel very soon. We're growing at a very rapid pace, and I appreciate all you guys for watching the videos, supporting me and my friends, watching us have fun all the time on these videos. But I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Love you guys. Bye-bye.